What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy News First out here with AV Watchman at AeroVironment. This is a revisit. I've been here before, but out here with AV Watchman today. See how they do on the revisit. What happened? You got him out? You told him?
Yeah, he was all, take a picture of this, and he flipped me off, so I just copied him.
Actually, Furry found your spot this morning.
Yeah, I seen that. That was cool, huh?
That was pretty cool.
Right on, man.
Yep. That was awesome. Oh yeah, that's him. That's him.
This guy?
Yeah. Yep, that's him.
You're on.
That's him. That's him right there. That's him right there.
That's funny. Yeah.
That's too funny, dog.
You're on. His name is Jody. What's up, Jody? Yeah, you're Jody, right? Your name is Jody?
Shut up, stupid. Fuck you.
Oh,
Shut up, you little bitch.
Jody.
Hey, listen to your papi. Listen to your papi.
Jody. Nanda's de Joron. Don't talk to him.
Rah, 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 rah.
Don't talk to him. Jody. Hey, there's Jody. Is that Jody?
Jody.
Nanda's de Joron. There's Jody Pie.
Hey, Big Billy. Big Billy. Twins.
Pork belly.
Pork belly. Your belly is kind of smelly.
Oh, they're all exiting, bro.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, what are we doing?
I know.
He's like, come over here on this property, motherfucker.
Jody! Is that Jody?
That's Jody.
Jody! Jody!
What? I can't hear you.
Your name is Jody, right? Huh? You're not Yoron? Alright, sorry.
Is your name Spoon?
I think Jody's over there, look.
Is it Spoon?
Jody!
Spoon or Jody?
Jody!
You're Jody.
Hey, Jody! He said nobody's name is Jody. He didn't get it.
Jody, fool.
Hey, tell him he's Jody. Here he comes, here he comes. Oh man, that's funny. Hey! Jody!
Jody.
¿Te llamas Jody, no?
No.
¿No? ¿El llorón?
No.
No, órale.
Hey, ¿no tengo tamales? No. Sácala.
That was racist.
Oh, it's not stupid. You're stupid. Honestly.
That's him? Jody!
Oh, no.
You're Jody, right?
Who?
Jody. You're not Jody El Llorón? Are you sure? You look like him. Yeah, bye Jody. He said I'm white.
That's racist.
Bye-bye, Jody. That's Jody right there. Jody Llorón. I see you run him over.
Ooh. Do it. Do it, pussy. Hey, hit and run. He just hit him. He just hit him with the truck. 8, 6, 4, 9, X1. Hey, he just hit him with the truck. You guys are in a lot of fucking trouble now. A lot of trouble. You guys are in a lot of trouble. A lot of trouble, motherfuckers. Here, call 911. Hey, bro, call 911. He just backed up over him. Hey, that fucking dude that works here, you guys are all in trouble. All of you. We got you on film, bitch. Talking about run him over.
I heard a thump, man.
Yeah, he fucking just backed up over him, bro.
Yeah, I heard that from. Somebody just got hit by a truck and it ran atop of Moreland and Union Plaza in SIMI Valley.
That's assault with a deadly weapon.
Is that down?
Yeah, right on the corner. The business name is Bemco. B-E-M-C-E-O. The gentleman's laying in the street right now. Yeah, and it took off. It was a black, it looked like a Silverado. I was on the other side of the parking lot and I heard a pop and then.
He works here.
All right, apparently the guy works here, so.
Yeah, hold on for a minute.
Sorry. I heard the boom and I looked over and saw the truck take off, but the gentleman here had it all on camera. Yeah, he's not on fire, but if you want to send the fire department. It headed southbound on Union.
Simple employee that was working here did that.
Yeah, and they're saying it was an employee or somebody that works at this place. And they have it on film, so I'm sure they have their license plate. I'm sure they do. They got that nice camera.
Bro, the fucking guy inside that shop just told him,
My
run
name
him
is
over.
James.
He's like, run him over, run him over.
Last name's Page, P-H-E. I work at the business shop.
Where you hit you at?
My whole side, bro.
Go ahead.
All right, appreciate it. Thanks.
Hey, what's your 20, Miguel?
Absolutely.
Hey, wait, bro, don't move. Your arms are already getting swollen.
All right, they're on the way, guys.
Your arms are already getting swollen like fucking crazy.
I am somewhat first aid, but I'm sure that you probably got beat more. Got some of the ears on.